Uh, I don't remember. I just remember like it was just like a really bad accident. Like I don't know.
A really bad accident?
Yeah. Like it was really bad.
Okay. How do you know it was really bad? You don't remember anything?
I mean, when I was in the hospital, like, and right now, like, I'm experiencing a lot of pain every time I move. Like, I can't.
Okay.
Like, I can't even like sit in a position where I'm comfortable. So every time I turn my neck or every time I like just move anything, it's just like there's a lot of pain. So I'm not sure.
Where are you staying now? Because I think you dropped the kids off at the neighbor's house, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you? Like, you say you're taking care of the kids. Are you not staying at Fox Claire anymore?
Fox Claire? I mean, I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know what happened. I'm really concerned, like, about the kids. I don't know what's happening.
Well, you got into a crash, and then you got out of the hospital. You went to go pick up the kids, and then you brought them over to a neighbor's house.
Yeah, I told him over.
You said you're taking care of the kids. Who's taking care of the kids now?
I took him over to Nini, who's the neighbor next door. Her kids play with Dorothy's kids, so I made sure.
Why'd you take the kids over if they're living with you?
Like I couldn't leave them alone. Like I don't know like what to do.
Well, you wouldn't have left them alone if you. So you took the kids. So they're Dorothy's kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know they were left alone when the crash occurred, but there's nothing you guys could have done. You guys got no crash. Nobody was expecting that.
Yeah,
are you not going to take care of the kids now?
I would love to. Like, I would love to take care of the kids. Like, I want to know their whereabouts. I want to know their well-beings. But I don't know what's going on.
They're where you dropped them off, man. You dropped them off the night before. They're right after the crash.
They're at the neighbor's house.
Yeah, they should be.
Okay. I don't know what's going on with that. Like, I'm really, really like concerned, depressed. Like, like I don't.
What are you concerned? What are you concerned about?
I'm concerned for their well-being, but I know, like, peace of mind tells me the neighbor, like Nini, is like trustworthy and responsible. Like she can take care of them, but I'm like. I was always cooking and like cleaning and making sure they're okay. Like,
it's always very upsetting when you find out that someone is being held on no bond and is being beaten while they are being held in prison. This is true of a case that I ran across on TikTok. Thank you, TikTok. I am in Virginia. This is in Prince William County Jail. Mustafa Al-Jazetti has been in jail since April 7th of this year. And he has had no bond, and his charges are several charges of felony murder. So you think murder, oh my goodness, this must be serious. No, it was a car accident. The whole case is based on the fact that he crashed the car on purpose. He was trying to scare his girlfriend, and he didn't buckle the daughter in. And there's a felony child neglect charge as well for that. On this page, I was able to watch dash cam footage showing the girlfriend buckling the child in. So number one, that's not even true. He didn't even buck the child in. And then I also witnessed several other things that were not true that are in the police report. I'm going to play in 3 parts because it's that long. The police interrogation or questioning and the police report. And you tell me where the bias is.
hello.
Hey man, how are you?
I'm okay.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Is this Mustafa?
Yes, sir.
Mustafa, how you holding
up? I don't know. Like, I'm just really depressed. Like, I don't know.
You're really
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any injuries from the crash that you're still working on?
Yes, sir. I can't move. Like, I'm in a lot of pain.
You're in a lot of pain?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
All right, dude. Tell me what you remember.
We are back.
I honestly...
This is not another boring podcast. Mustafa through the police body cams. Judge, Carol Weimer, you are under a microscope. Okay, let's just go into the audio. Let's dive into the audio where Judge Carol Weimer is entertaining Chad Mason, telling him, I violated department policy. Let's go. You want it to be on? Yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the center, and then we'll pause it, talk, pause. Then when we pause it, I want you to take it off the main screen so that way. Okay. Yeah.
Have a cell phone, off and put away.
Judge Weimer wants all cell phones off, he says. Nobody has cell phones. I mean, Sheriff Glenn Hill rolls a machine to make sure that you're scanned from head to toe, that you don't have your cell phone. But here we are.
Can you make this any bigger or no? Is that the biggest it'll go? You can't.
The biggest. You want to make who bigger?
Like the screen? You can't put it on full screen?
But then the text is not gonna. You're not gonna see the text.
Oh, that's cool.
Virginia versus Mustafa Al-Shazari. Mr. Al-Shazari is present. Also, Mr. Weiner. Counsel represented by Ms. Sammy and Ms. Buck. Mr. Counsel is before the court today for a number of motions. I count 10. I don't know whether or not everybody agrees with that number or not. If you don't, I need to know what it is, what else there is. All right, I have a motion to dismiss the indictments. These are, the ones I'm going to list now are the defendant's motions. Motion to dismiss the indictments with prejudice. Motion to eliminate to exclude Dashcam portions.
Pause real quick.
Suppress and
He said motion to admit the dash cam.
You're gonna hear
to conditionally admit the dash cam.
You're gonna hear Judge Weimer, where Sarah Sammy is asking Judge Weimer to conditionally enter the dash camera. What that means is take it out of context. Now, the community doesn't get to see the dash camera because it's sealed. They've only released 4
Forget
seconds.
the community. She's talking about the jury not seeing the whole thing.
The jury is not going to see
That's
the full
crazy.
dash camera.
Okay,
But I mean, she's not going to be able to get away with it. But that's what she wants.
That's what
she
she
wants
wants
to
to
get
do.
a lip reader, enter the dash camera, and conditionally we're only a couple of seconds.
4 seconds.
I mean, pretty much you're taking the dash camera out of context because what you do, if you rewind the dash camera, you're going to see Mustafa and Dorsey are smoking a cigarette, passing back and forth a cigarette. You fast forward the dash camera, Mustafa and Dorsey are passing back and forth a cigarette. Literally, they're smoking a cigarette, but they want to say that they're arguing. But once you watch the dash camera, you'll realize there is no argument. But if you take it out of context and you only play 4 seconds, 3-4 seconds, you can bring a bullshit lip reader and say whatever.
So she wants 4 seconds where Dorothy and Mustafa are at a stoplight, and she wants Bruce Safinsky, the lip reader, to come in and say, Dorothy says, I want to get out of the car. And the 4 seconds is all the jury gets to see. With the speed set at 77 miles per hour, it's stuck. And they're saying an expert, the jury looks at an expert. Who's this expert? Bruce Safinsky out of Richmond. He's going to come in and say, Dorothy says, I want to get out of the car. Okay, shut it off. Shut off the TV. Now, jury, what do you think of this case?
That's crazy.
This is fucking bullshit.
That is crazy.
It's bullshit. I mean,
Mustafa's speed he's driving speed limit is 55. The odometer is stuck even when he's not driving, stuck on 77.
they're not going to tell that to the jury. They're not going to clarify that.
The thing that really boils my blood is Amy Ashworth is telling this community that Mustafa is arguing inside the vehicle. And then she goes and gets a lip reader. Why is her lip reader not lip reading the argument? How could
That's
you
a very
lip
good
read an
point.
argument when there is no argument? Mohammed, they're passing a cigarette back
Yeah.
and forth 6 times.
I mean, we have Bruce Safinsky's report.
That is
He
crazy.
doesn't say anything about an argument.
That is crazy.
So where's the argument?
That's crazy.
Oh, there's no argument. There's no longer an argument because you stole the entire dash camera. So when she says, if she wants to come out and say, there's an argument in there,
Where?
The community is going to say, I think I saw the brother steal the dash camera from you. Where is this argument? What can you give us the timestamp of this argument?
I'll do you one better.
And she can't do it.
If someone can tell me where the argument is, I'll shut down my whole entire platform. I think that's fair. Show me where is the argument inside the vehicle.
It doesn't exist.
There's no argument.
Okay, let's continue.
Say, motion to provide expert witness funds, a combined motion to provide investigator funds, and motion for extension of time to file pre-trial motions. Does that cover all the ones? That's good. And then for the Commonwealth's motions, I have a motion to admit prior crimes, wrongdoings, and/or acts, motion to support, motion for order regulating disclosure of juror personal information, a motion to eliminate regarding court spectators, and a motion to conditionally admit dash cam footage.
Did you hear that?
Motion to conditionally admit the dash camera.
And she wants to sequester the jury.
Sequester the jury. Interesting.
Okay, keep going.
Interesting.
All right, I understand with regard to Commonwealth's motion regarding disclosure of juror personal information that the defendant does not object. Is that correct? And so what the Commonwealth is seeking is...
You know what I'm going to do?
What?
When Judge Carolyn Weimer talks, I'm going to make him bigger.
Okay.
Okay? And then when the other people talk, I'll make them bigger.